ऐसे 580 रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशंस। तो रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन एक रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट है बाय मैनेजमेंट, प्रोवाइडेड बाय मैनेजमेंट टू द ऑडिटर, कंफर्म करने के लिए सर्टेन मैटर्स और सपोर्ट करने के लिए अदर ऑडिट एविडेंस। तो रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज अ रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट बाय मैनेजमेंट टू ऑडिटर to confirm certain matters or support other audit evidence. ये written representation in context do not include financial statements, the assertions therein, and the supporting books and records. Written representation and audit evidence. Audit evidence is all the information used by the auditor in arriving at the conclusions on which the auditor opinion is based. Written representation are necessary information that auditor requires in connection with the audit of the entity's financial statement. Accordingly, similar to responses to inquiries, written representations are audit evidence. Written representation important source audit evidence का if management modifies or does not provide the requested written representation, it may alert the auditor to the possibility that one or more significant issues exist. Further, a request for written rather than oral representation in many cases may prompt management to consider such matters more rigorously, thereby enhancing the quality of representations. Although written representations provide necessary audit evidence, they do not provide sufficient appropriate audit evidence. Necessary audit evidence provide करता है लेकिन sufficient appropriate audit evidence नहीं, तो sufficient appropriate audit evidence no. About any of the matters with which they deal. For the fact that management has provided reliable written representation does not affect the nature or extent of other audit evidence that the auditor obtains about the fulfillment of management's responsibility or about specific assertions. ऐसे 580 written representation deal करता है auditor की responsibility to obtain written representations from management and where appropriate those charged with governments. Objective है obtain करना written representation management और TCWG से that they have fulfilled the responsibility for preparation of FS and for the completeness of the information provided to the auditor. सपोर्ट करते हैं अदर ऑडिट एविडेंस जो रिलेवेंट है टू फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स और स्पेसिफिक assertions रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं टू अप्रोप्रिएटली टू रिटन रिप्रेजेंटेशन प्रोवाइडेड और नॉट प्रोवाइडेड. तो ऑब्टेन करो रिटन रिप्रेजेंटेशन फ्रॉम मैनेजमेंट वेयर अप्रोप्रिएट दोज चार्ज विद द गवर्नेंस दैट दे बिलीव दैट दे हैव फुलफिल्ड देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स और फॉर द completeness of information provided to the auditor and to support other audit evidence relevant to the FS or specific assertions in the financial statements. Support other audit evidence relevant to the financial statements or specific assertions in the financial statement by means of written representation if determined necessary by the auditor or required. Respond करना appropriately to written presentations provided by management and where appropriate those charged with the governance or do not provide the written representation requested by the auditor. From whom written representations are requested by auditor. तो auditor shall request written representation with from management जिसकी responsibility of finance को लेके management with appropriate responsibility of financial statements and knowledge of the matters concerned relate to fulfillment of management की responsibility or to support other audit evidence relevant to the financial statements or one or more specific assertions in the financial statement. Written representation about management's responsibility. तो written representation about management's responsibility involve करता है confirmation of fulfillment of management responsibility following areas में प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एफएस और कंप्लीटनेस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइडेड. तो पहला तो प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एस में बोलता है ऑडिटर जो रिक्वेस्ट करेगा मैनेजमेंट से प्रोवाइड करने का रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन कि उसने फुलफिल कर लिया उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट अकॉर्डेंस विद द एप्लीकेबल फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग फ्रेमवर्क इंक्लूडिंग वेयर रिलेवेंट देयर स्पेसिफिक their fair presentation as set out in the terms of audit engagement. तो written representation about management responsibility involve confirmation of fulfillment of first management responsibility in following areas. Preparation of the financial statements. The auditor could request Kana management to provide written representation that it has fulfilled its responsibility uh, for the preparation of the financial statement in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework, including where relevant their fair presentation as set out in the terms of the audit engagement. Up due to its responsibility for the preparation of and presentation of the financial statement, and its responsibility for the conduct of the entity's business, management would be expected to have sufficient knowledge of the process followed by the entity wherein preparing and presenting the financial statement and the assertions therein on which to base the written representation. तो ड्यू टू इट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट उसकी रिस्पॉन्स और उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द कंडक्ट ऑफ एंटिटी का बिजनेस management would be expected to have sufficient knowledge of the process followed by the entity in preparing and presenting the financial statement and assertions therein on which to base the रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन. अब सम केसेस में मैनेजमेंट तो डिसाइड करेगा इंक्वायरीज मे मेक टू डिसाइड इंक्वायरीज ऑफ अदर्स जो पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं प्रिपेयर और प्रेजेंट करने में फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स और अजेंशन देन को इंक्लूड करते हैं इंडिविजुअल्स जिनके पास स्पेशलाइज नॉलेज है रिलेटिंग टू द मैटर्स जिसमें रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन रिक्वेस्टेड है. वो इंडिविजुअल हो सकते हैं स्टाफ इंजीनियर एक्चुअरी एंड इंटरनल लीगल काउंसिल. स्टाफ इंजीनियर रिलेटिंग टू एनवायरमेंटल लाइबिलिटी मेजरमेंट, actuary for actuary to determine accounting measurements, and internal legal counsel for settling the provision for legal claims. So, in some cases, however, management may decide to make inquiries of others who participate in preparing and presenting the financial statements and assertion therein, including individuals who have specialized knowledge relating to the matters about which written representations is requested. Such individuals may include an actuary responsible for actually determine accounting measurements, staff engineer responsible for environmental liability measurement, and internal counsel who may provide information essential to provision for legal claims. Of some cases, management may include in the written representation qualified language to the effect that representation are made to the best of its knowledge and belief. ये reasonable है for the auditor to accept such wording if the audit is certified that written representations are made by those with appropriate responsibilities and knowledge of the matters included in the representations. To reinforce the need for management to make informed representations, the auditor may request that management include in the written representations confirmation that it has made such inquiries as it considered appropriate to place it in the position to be able to make the requested written representations. Now, information provided and completeness of transactions. The auditor shall request management to provide that it has provided the auditor with all information and assets as agreed in the terms of engagement, and all transactions have been recorded and reflected in the financial statements. रिक्वेस्ट करेगा मैनेजमेंट को रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन प्रोवाइड करना कि इट हैज प्रोवाइडेड द ऑडिटर विद ऑल रिलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड एसेट्स एज एग्रीड इन द टर्म्स ऑफ engagement and the transactions have been recorded and are reflected in the financial statements. Now, why written representations about management responsibility are necessary? Though audit evidence obtained during the audit that the management has fulfilled its responsibility regarding preparation of financial statements and about information provided and completeness of transaction is not sufficient without obtaining confirmation from management that it believes that it has fulfilled those responsibilities. This is because the auditor is not able to judge solely on other audit evidence whether management has prepared and presented the financial statements and provided information to auditor on the basis of agreed acknowledgement and understanding of its responsibilities. For example, the auditor could not conclude that management has provided the auditor with all relevant information agreed in the terms of the audit engagement without asking it whether receiving confirmation that such information has been provided. Though a written representation requiring fulfillment of management responsibility in relation to draw above on the agreed acknowledgement and understanding of management of its responsibility आस्क करेगा मैनेजमेंट को रिकन्फर्म करने में उसकी गवर्नमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो वर्टिकुलरली अप्रोप्रिएट है चार केसेस में जब मैनेजमेंट ने जो मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर ली है अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को या फिर टर्म्स ऑफ एंगेजमेंट जो प्रिपेयर्ड है प्रीवियस ईयर में या फिर जो जिन्होंने टर्म्स ऑफ एंगेजमेंट साइन किया था बिहाफ ऑफ द एंटिटी वो उनके पास सब कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है या फिर चेंजेस हो गए सर्कमस्टांसिस में जो मेक करता है उसको अप्रोप्रिएट टू डू सो. So those who have signed the terms of engagement on behalf of the editor has no longer the relevant responsibility. The term of edit engagement was prepared in previous year. Indication that the management misunderstand those responsibility and changes in circumstances may make it appropriate to do so. डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन द रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन। तो मैनेजमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शेल बी डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन रिक्वायर्ड अबाउट मैनेजमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन द मैनर in which these responsibilities are described in the terms of the audit engagement. तो अदर रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन, अदर ऐसे रिक्वायर करता है ऑडिटर को रिक्वेस्ट करने पे रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन इफ इन एडिशन टू सच रिक्वायर्ड रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑडिटर डिटरमाइन करता है कि इट इज़ नेसेसरी ऑब्टेन करना वन और मोर रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन to support other audit evidence relevant to the financial statement or one or more specific assertions in the financial statement, the auditor shall request such other written representations. So, in addition to the written representation about management's responsibility regarding preparation of financial statements, the auditor may consider it necessary to request other written representations about the financial statements. So, in addition to the written representation about management की responsibility regarding preparation of assets, ऑडिटर जो है कंसिडर करेगा नेसेसरी रिक्वेस्ट करना अदर रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन अबाउट फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट सच रिप्रेजेंटेशन में सप्लीमेंट बट डू नॉट फॉर्म रिप्रेजेंटेशन रिगार्डिंग प्रिपरेशन इन अदर रिप्रेजेंटेशन इंक्लूड करते हैं सिलेक्शन एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ अप्रोप्रिएट अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसीज जो है अप्रोप्रिएट है whether the selection and application of accounting policies are appropriate. Matters such as the following were relevant under the applicable financial reporting framework have been recognized, measured, presented, or disclosed. Key liabilities, both actual or contingent, plans or intention that may affect the carrying value or classification of assets and liabilities, title to or control over the assets, liens, encumbrances or assets, and assets pledged as collateral. Aspects of laws, regulations, contractual agreements that may affect the financial statements, including non-compliance. तो other written representation include करता है selection and application of accounting policies जो है appropriate है, selection of and application of accounting policies are appropriate, whether matters such as the following were relevant under the application applicable financial reporting framework have been recognized, measured, presented or disclosed. तो प्लान्स और इंटेंशन जो अफेक्ट करते हैं कैरिंग वैल्यू और क्लासिफिकेशन एसेट लाइबिलिटी लाइबिलिटीज बोथ एक्चुअल और कंटेजेंट टाइटल टू ओवर एसेट्स एसेट्स लीन्स और encumbrances on assets and assets pledged as collateral and aspects of laws and regulations contractual agreements that may affect the financial statement including non-compliance. Now, additional written representation about information provided to the auditor. So, in addition to the in addition to the written representation required by the auditor regarding management responsibility about information provided to auditor, the auditor may consider it necessary to request management to provide a written representation that it has communicated to the auditor all deficiencies in internal control of which management is aware. Written representation about specific assertions. So, when obtaining evidence about or evaluating judgments and intentions, management को consider करना one of the following: entity का past history in carrying out its stated intentions, entity's past history in carrying out its stated intentions, entity's reasons for choosing a particular course of actions, specific assertions को लेके ये तीन चीजें, चार चीजें, four. Entity का past history for carrying out its stated intentions, entity's reason for choosing a particular course of action, entity की ability to pursue a specific course of action, फिर existence or lack of any other information that might have been obtained during the course of the audit that may be inconsistent with management judgment or intent. So, entity का past history in carrying out its stated intention, entity का reason for choosing a particular course of action, entity की ability to pursue a specific course of action. So, entity's past history in carrying out its stated intentions, entity का reason for choosing a particular course of action, entity's ability to pursue a specific course of action. So, entity का past history in carrying out its stated intentions, entity's reasons for choosing a particular course of action, entity's ability to pursue a specific course of action, and existence or lack of any other information that I might have been obtained during the course of the audit that may be inconsistent with management's judgment or intent. एंटिटी का पास्ट हिस्ट्री इन कैरिंग आउट इट्स स्टेटेड इंटेंशन, एंटिटी का रीजन फॉर चूजिंग अ पर्टिकुलर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन, एंटिटी का एबिलिटी टू परस्यू अ स्पेसिफिक कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन, या फिर एग्जिस्टेंस या फिर लैक ऑफ अदर एनी अदर इंफॉर्मेशन दैट माइट हैव बीन ऑब्टेन्ड ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द ऑडिट दैट मे बी इनकंसिस्टेंट विद मैनेजमेंट का जजमेंट और इंटेंट. तो डेट ऑफ रिटर्न रिप्रेजेंटेशन नियर एज टू प्रैक्टिकल हो सकता है, बट आफ्टर द डेट ऑफ द ऑडिट रिपोर्ट ऑन द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट नहीं हो सकता. शेल बी फॉर ऑल द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट पीरियड रेफर टू द ऑडिट रिपोर्ट.